Design is more than making things look pretty. It is about making them work beautifully. Behind every eye-catching logo, website, or poster, there is a set of design principles at play. These principles are like the secret sauce that designers use to create compelling, harmonious, and engaging visuals. Let's embark on a journey to demystify these design principles and discover their magic. Imagine a seesaw. Balance in design is like finding that perfect point where everything evens out. It is the distribution of visual elements like shapes, colors, and text in a way that creates stability and harmony. There are two types of balance. The first one is the symmetrical balance. Think of it as a mirror image. When a design is split down the middle, both sides are identical. It exudes a sense of formality and order. The second type of balance is asymmetrical balance. This is more like a balanced scale where different elements have equal visual weights but aren't identical. It is dynamic and often feels more natural and intriguing. Contrast is like turning up the volume on your design. It is the deliberate use of differences in color, size, shape, or typography to create visual interest and hierarchy. Think of it as the spotlight that draws your eyes to the most important elements. It is a dark text on a light background or the bold headline against a subtle backdrop. Alignment is the backbone of a well-organized design. It is all about ensuring that elements have a connection and cohesion. Think of it as lining up soldiers' information. It gives your design structure and clarity. Aligning text, images, and objects create a sense of order that guides the viewer's eyes. Proximity is the heart of grouping related elements together. It is like creating neighborhoods in your design where similar items live close to each other. This helps viewers quickly understand relationships and connections between elements. For example, in a product catalog, placing product images and descriptions close together makes it easy for shoppers to find what they are looking for. Repetition is about consistency and rhythm. Repeating colors, shapes, fonts, or other design elements create a sense of unity throughout your design. It is like a catchy melody that keeps playing in the background, reinforcing the message and identity of your design. Emphasis is the star of the show. It is the element or area in your design that commands attention. It is like the soloist in a musical performance. Whether it's a bold headline, a vibrant color, or a striking image, emphasis guides the viewer's eye and delivers the main message. White space, also known as negative space, is the unsung hero of design. It is the empty areas between elements. Think of it as the silence between musical notes. White space provides clarity, allows elements to breathe, and enhances readability. It is essential for preventing visual clutter and creating a sense of elegance. Scale and proportion are all about the relative sizes of elements in your design. It is like arranging furniture in a room. You want the proportions to feel right. Using different scales can create visual interest and hierarchy. For instance, a large headline with smaller supporting text creates a clear focal point. Color theory is the art and science of using colors to evoke emotions and convey messages. Colors have psychological and cultural associations. Red can signify passion or danger, while blue might convey calm or trust. Understanding color theory helps designers choose the right palette to evoke the desired response from viewers. Typography is the voice of your design. Fonts have personalities, and choosing the right one is crucial. It is not just about picking a pretty font, it is about readability, hierarchy, and aligning with the overall design concept. Bold, elegant scripts may work for a wedding invitation, while a clean, sans-serif font might be better for a tech startup's website. In the world of design, these principles are like the notes in a symphony. When combined thoughtfully, they create a harmonious and impactful composition. Whether you are creating a logo, designing a website, or creating a poster, understanding and applying these principles can elevate your work from ordinary to extraordinary. They are the tools that turn a blank canvas into a visual masterpiece, engaging viewers and conveying messages with clarity and creativity. So, the next time you encounter a stunning design, look beyond its aesthetics and see if you can spot these design principles at work, guiding your eyes and emotions through the visual journey. Design isn't just about what you see, it is about what you feel and understand, and these principles are the keys to that magic. Design principles, where art meets science and creativity transforms into learning.